Good morning, students. So we should continue the essay Third Thoughts, and I would give you a commentary upon that essay to you. As I told you that this essay is an example, is an of Lucas style. Now, what is the story of that essay? That writer was wandering in the cathedral city with his friend. He stops at an old curiosity shop. Now, what does curiosity shop means? The antique shop. He was passing through that antique shop, which deals with old things, with antique things. He came upon a painting of a watercolor drawing. Passing through that shop, he saw a watercolor drawing painting. His friend picked it up, which he thinks probably painted by the famous landscape painter Turner. उसने सोचा कि ये पेंटिंग टर्नर की है. Then the owner of the shop does not share his opinion, but the owner of the shop was not sure that it belongs to that. It belongs to the painting belonged to that famous painter. The deal was fixed in 10 shillings. So his friend purchased that painting in 10 shilling. But the writer was surprised when he found a purchaser for the painting, for the drawing in 50 pound. Soon afterwards, very soon, after purchasing the painting, they found a purchaser. They met a purchaser he was interested in purchasing that painting in 50 pounds, and in this way his friend was very much excited by the profit of 49 pounds and 10 shillings. So in a short while they earned 49 pounds and 10 shillings. Now what happens that the incident generated a mental conflict. The writer's friend decided that he should divide the profit with the dealer, because he purchased the painting from the dealer. So he thought that he should give some money. He should divide, he should participate his profit with the dealer. He thought that it would be fair to him to give him half of the amount. So initially he thought that half of the amount he should give to the dealer, so that he would be happy, and he also be thankful to him, because he thinks that it is his responsibility that due to the dealer he has earned a large profit. But at that time he did not have stamps, he did not have the envelope and the stamps, so that he should post the money. Well, so he postponed it for tomorrow. The founder had a short sleep. That night he had a short sleep, and he got up at 3:30 a.m. सुबह जल्दी उठ जाता है, and as his regular practice, जैसी उसकी practice थी, he tries to recollect the incident of the past. वो अपनी पुरानी बातों को याद करता है, previous days की बातों को याद करता है, and examined, and after recollecting the previous days event in which he had made a profit, वो उसको एग्जामिन करता है, एंड अगेन क्रॉस एग्जामिन्ड, और फिर उस लेटर को भी देखता है विच ही हैड रिटर्न टू द डीलर. आफ्टर मच डेलिब्रेशन ही रीच टू द कंक्लूजन, और उस विषय पे वो बहुत कुछ सोचता है और इस निष्कर्ष पे पहुंचता है दैट इट्स नॉट ए गुड टू शो क्योक्सटरी, कि यहाँ कोई दरिया दिली दिखाने का कोई अच्छा समय नहीं है. क्योक्सटरी was a character by Cervantes, written a book Don Quixote. So that who was the hero of that novel, and he did all kind of kindly acts, kind acts. In his opinion, the dealer was not well equipped in his business. The second thought comes to him that the dealer was not educated, he was not trained in his business. That's why he sold the painting so cheaply. It is useless to put a premium on inaptitude. Okay. Inaptitude का मतलब he was unskilled in his work. वो अपने काम में कुशल नहीं था, उसने बहुत सस्ते में वो पेंटिंग उसे भेज दी. This kind of behavior would spoil the habits of the dealer. If he would give him half the amount of the profit, then it would spoil his habits. He would expect similar letters from the customers every day. Therefore, he decides to give him only 10 pounds. So, after applying the second thoughts, he said that he would give him only 10 pounds. And a short while later, he reviews his decision. Or after some time, he again reviews his decision and decides to give him only 5 pounds. So the thought once again came to his mind. Now again he deliberated on this topic when he was dressing up in the morning. He thought it is the first time in his life when he had earned such a large profit, such a big profit with the dealer. And no one can escape the fury of the goddess of the wealth, the city magnates, the city typhoon, the city big businessmen are successful because they don't do these kind of impulsive things. They are not emotional. They don't do business with emotions, but with reason. वो जो business करते हैं वो तर्क से करते हैं, बुद्धि से करते हैं, भावनाओं से नहीं करते हैं. Therefore, he should control his feelings. The gift of 5 pounds is absurd. Absurd means useless. Instead of it, a conciliatory price, a conciliatory present of $1 is sufficient enough in this case. So look at that. From half of the profit, he comes to the 1 pound. And later on in the day, he went to club for lunch. He plays bridge so badly. Bridge, a kind of game of what you call cards. It's game of cards, bridge. That afternoon, he was upset over his defeat. He was defeated badly. He was glad over that he had not posted the letter. So when he was defeated in that afternoon, he felt very happy that he has not posted the letter in which he is sending the consolatory prize of $1, 1 pound. In this way, the incident was closed forever. So in the essay, the third source reflects upon human nature. The emotions of giving and sharing goodwill gestures are rare among mankind. So the feeling of gesture, the gesture of mercy and goodwill are very rare. Lucas also points out that if a goodwill gesture is delayed, then there is a possibility of dropping it off. कि अगर हम किसी को हेल्प करना चाहते हैं, अगर वो भावना हमारे मन में है, अगर वो हम पूरी नहीं करते हैं, वो मन में ही रहती है, that thing remains in your heart, then इसकी पूरी संभावना है, there is a possibility that the idea would drop. This happened in the case of writer's friend. Therefore, one should act quickly in these cases so that third thoughts cannot stop your decision. So this is the message that one should act promptly. In other words, the application of third thoughts deprived the beneficiary, because if the decision is delayed, then there is a possibility that the beneficiary would be deprived. जो beneficiary है जिसको फ़ायदा पहुंचना है वो फ़ायदा नहीं पहुंच पाएगा, वो डिले हो जाएगा. डिले होने से हमारा मानस बदल जाएगा और हम उसकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो आप देखें कि एक कॉमन से सब्जेक्ट्स को, एक कॉमन सा सब्जेक्ट है जो हर किसी के साथ इस तरह की घटनाएं होती हैं. इन एवरी वंस लाइफ this kind of incidents occur, these kinds of incidents happen, and the result is the same which the writer has described in the essay. Therefore, the lesson of the essay is that we should act promptly if there is a goodwill gesture in our heart. If we want to help someone, we should do it immediately and quickly. Otherwise, there is a feeling, there is a possibility that it should be delayed. Thank you.